welcome to Laball Cricket Podcast. Today we are going to introduce you to a brand new application called Perfect Lineup. We all play fantasy cricket, don't we? We use applications such as MPL, Dream11, My11 Circle, Paytm Games, etc. for generating teams. Right at the moment when the playing 11s are announced, we are in a hurry to make multiple teams on multiple platforms. We go searching behind stats, player performances, player comparisons and much more. But how often do we get all these things in the short span of time? More than often we end up getting confused while looking for all these things. You might have wondered if there is any solution for this headache. And if you are one of those guys, then Perfect Lineup is your perfect solution. This user-friendly application allows you to make multiple teams using stats, past player performances, player graphs and detailed analysis. You can get all these things at your fingertips just by installing this app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. And that's not the end. If you are lazy and if you still want to make money, then Perfect Lineup will help you do that. They'll make up to 11 teams for you by just a single press of a button. Come, let's explore this application in detail. To start off, click on this Generate Team button. Here in their user interface, you can see a lot of matches ranging from international matches to domestic tournaments. Here you can see many options like Generate Team, Player Performances, Matches on this venue, Previous Dream Team, Team Stats and much more. To start off, we will explore this Generate Team section. We will be navigated to a section where we can select multiple players for our team. Unlike other applications, Perfect Lineup makes your job easier. Here you can lock multiple players so that they will be present in all the teams that you make. For example, we will lock Glenn Maxwell for this match. And from Delhi Capitals, we will lock Shikhar Dhawan. So here we will make 11 teams which will include Glenn Maxwell and Shikhar Dhawan as locked players, which means they are present in all 11 teams. Here you can navigate through each teams and you can even share this team by copying the link. One of the added features of this application is you can see the generated teams in the PDF sheet. Moreover, if you click on any particular player, you will get to know about their stats, their past performances and their current form. For example, here we have taken Glenn Maxwell as an example, and when you have clicked on Glenn Maxwell, it will show the past performance of Glenn Maxwell. It will show the most recent performances of Glenn Maxwell and the amount of fantasy points he has obtained in the recent encounters. We can also filter this stat by format wise, and if you want to know about his performances against Delhi Capitals, you can just click here and you will get that. Moreover, if you want to get to know about his performance in this particular venue where the match is going to be held, that option is also available here. You can just click here and you will get to know about Glenn Maxwell's performance in this particular venue. If you still find going through this stat difficult, then you can check this graph option where you will get to know if the player's form is going upward or downwards. Here the graph is again segregated into multiple layers. First, there is a salary graph which shows the player's current form with respect to his fantasy credits. The next graph is based on fantasy point. It shows the player's performances on each match and how many fantasy points he has received on each encounters. The next graph shows the rank of the player in the team according to fantasy points. If it is increasing, it means that player's performance is increasing, and we can also get a position based rank. For example, here Glenn Maxwell is an all-rounder and it shows if he is the number 1 all-rounder or the number 2 or number 3 in that particular category in that particular team. There are multiple graphs which shows his overall rank and his value in comparison with his current form, and hence this graph section will be only enough for you to make a good fantasy team. Moreover, you can get to know about a player's stats by format, by the competition that he is participating in, and even more, you can get latest news about that player in this news section. You can also unlock the player from this section, or you can remove the player completely by just a click of a button. If you want to know more about this match, you can click this button and get to know more about the matches at this venue, the win ratio for batting first, batting second, and the overall dream team analysis where you will get to know the average fantasy points obtained in this venue. Here in this section, you will also get to know more about the fantasy points contribution by position. For example, how many points has bowlers earned in this venue and how many fantasy points has batsmen earned in this venue. You will get all these stats in this section. Next, in this previous dream team section, you will get the player performance in the last match played at this venue. You will get to know how many fantasy points has each player earned in this venue when they last played at this ground. Last but not the least, you will get to know about the entire team stats in the team stats section. Here in a single window using the AI, the application will show the list of all players who are available for this fixture, their fantasy points, their runs scored, wicket taken, sixes hit, fours hit, economy rate, and the entire stats that you need to make a proper fantasy team. You can also filter the stat based on the opposition, venue, format type, and you can also filter it based on the league. These are few among the many features that this Perfect Lineup application brings to the table. Recently, Prakash Patel, a Perfect Lineup user, won 1 crore on Dream11 Grand League just by following the steps mentioned in the Perfect Lineup. You can also be the next Prakash Patel by just installing the Perfect Lineup application. You can check out his winning story on the Perfect Lineup website. If you are a fantasy player and you are looking for stats, past performances, player comparisons, and you want to make money without much headaches, then Perfect Lineup is your perfect solution. So everyone, do head out to Google Play Store or Apple Store and download this application as fast as possible and make your fantasy sports experience a much easier one.